Welcome to our channel. If you want to back up call logs from iCloud, follow these step-by-step instructions to understand how iPhone call history is stored and managed. Step 1. Understand that iCloud doesn't back up call logs directly as a separate feature. However, call history can be included when you back up your entire iPhone to iCloud. Step 2. To ensure your iPhone data, including recent call history, is backed up to iCloud, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 3. Tap on your name at the top of the settings screen to access your Apple ID and iCloud settings. Step 4. Select iCloud from the menu options to view your cloud storage and backup settings. Step 5. Tap on iCloud Backup and ensure that the feature is turned on by toggling the switch to the on position. Step 6. Tap Backup Now to manually initiate a backup of your iPhone data to iCloud. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi and have sufficient iCloud storage available. Step 7. The backup process will include your device settings, app data, photos, and recent call history, along with other system data. Step 8. To verify your backup, go back to iCloud settings and check the date and time of your last successful backup under iCloud Backup. Step 9. Remember that detailed call logs are stored locally on your iPhone for a limited time, typically showing the most recent calls only. Step 10. If you need to access older call records, contact your mobile carrier as they maintain detailed call history for billing purposes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.